Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May peace, mercy and blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of you. Once again, I stand before you with a new class, with a new video. I will discuss you about an important topic of English grammar, that is a noun and its function. At first, the definition. What is a noun? Noun is a naming word. We know that the name which is used in a sentence is called a noun. The name may be a person name, a place name, things name, substance names and action name. For example, Dhaka. Dhaka, we know that Dhaka is a name of a city. Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a name of a country. Sumon. Sumon is a name of a person. Walking. Walking is the name of a action. All the examples are the name of a noun. Okay. Now, what is the function of a noun? First, noun can be used as a subject of a sentence. For example, Rana eats rice. Here, Rana is a subject which is a noun and used as a subject in this sentence. And noun can be used as an object of a verb. For example, I like cricket. Here, cricket is a noun and in this sentence, cricket used as an object. Thirdly, noun can be used as an object of preposition. For example, I am fond of sweet. Here, of is a preposition and sweet is a noun and it is an object of preposition. And fourthly, noun can be used as a case in aposition. For example, Rana, a man. Here, Rana is a noun and a man is a case in aposition. A man also is a noun and a man here used as a case of aposition. And all these are the function of a noun. And thank you very much for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.